And you can start off doing that maybe once a week just to get started. You can also diffuse 3 drops of the myrrh oil with 3 drops each. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of myrrh essential oil. Ancient records show that myrrh was deemed so valuable that at times it was valued at its weight in gold. Myrrh essential oil is derived from the gummy resin of the small, thorny myrrh tree and has been used for centuries for its internal and external health benefits. Myrrh has been used throughout history as a perfume, incense, and health aid. It was also employed in the embalming and religious ceremonies. Myrrh has powerful cleansing properties, especially to your mouth and throat. It is also soothing to your skin, promoting a smooth, youthful-looking complexion, and promotes emotional balance and well-being when used aromatically. The top 3 ways to use doTERRA's myrrh essential oil is aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. Myrrh's main benefits are that it cleanses your mouth and throat, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promotes emotional balance and supports your brain function. The directions for use are adding 1 drop to the On Guard toothpaste to cleanse your mouth, throat, and gums, and you can start off doing that maybe once a week just to get started. You can also diffuse 3 drops of the myrrh oil with 3 drops each with frankincense and sandalwood for a calming atmosphere. You can also take 1 to 2 drops of this myrrh in a veggie capsule in the morning and night to support your overall health as well. And I like to use doTERRA's veggie capsules right here. So you just open the cap, then you place the 1 to 2 drops inside, close it, and then you take with food and water for best results. And using whole plant foods would be ideal, and then using water that's alkaline distilled or reverse osmosis are 3 good options for that. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.